Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm outside participating in Hillary's 2018 Goodwill Summer Challenge. If you want to see what I did, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I'm at the Goodwill. There is almost no one here, so this should be interesting. Let's hope I can find something to use for the summer challenge. Okay, what I found at Goodwill was a giant punch bowl, a 13-ounce glass plate, a very large sundae dish, and a slightly purple, very tall vase. I'm going to wash these out, and I'm going to go on from there. Okay, all the pieces have been washed and dried, and they're getting ready for the next step. I can't wait for this to get done. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is get my favorite glue for glass, which is E6000, and I'm going to put that all the way around the rim of the punch bowl, and I'm going to put this very large vase right on top. And we'll be back when I get that done. Okay, I don't know if you can see how much glue is on there, but there's a lot because this is going to be for outside. And I'm just going to press that in there, and I'm going to let this sit for a couple of hours before I go on to the next. I was originally going to try to put this right on top, but it's a little wonky. So I had an old glass ashtray, and I know you can get them at Goodwill because I've seen them. And I'm going to put that on top, and then I'm going to glue that to that. And we'll be back when that's done. Okay, I got that glued onto it. And I'm going to let that sit a couple more hours until I put the final plate on. But right now, I've got this up to a little over 20 inches high. And I think that's going to be a really good height. I just hope the purple of the vase shows up in the sunlight. And last but not least, a ton of E6000 on the top of the sundae bowl. And I'm going to be putting the big plate on the top. And I think I should use two hands for this. Okay, I eyeballed it. Hopefully it's straight. And that's going to be sitting for 24 hours. But it looks like my little bird bath is about done. Can't wait for this to dry and take it outside. Oh, there's the little bird bath finished, and it's in its place. It was actually a whole lot easier to put together than I thought. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.